In my last video, we talked about WH questions with do and does. In today's video, we'll be discussing WH questions with the verb to be. Let's start with our subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. To ask a WH question, you first add the WH word before the subject. WH words can be who, what, where, when, why, and how. After the WH word, you then add the verb to be. For example, who am I? What are you? Where is he, she, it? When are we? And why are they? After the subject, you add the rest of the information that you're asking about. For example, who am I looking for? What are you doing? Where is your birthday party? When are we leaving? And why are they here? Let's practice. Repeat after me and then answer the questions in the comments below. Number 1, who are your best friends? What is your favorite food? Where are you going this weekend? When is your birthday? Why are you studying English? Thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful. Please let us know what other grammar concepts you would like to learn about in the comments below. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.